go lo lesson 6. Lesson 6. Tingting blo yumi isave blokem true talk. Stampa blo lesson. Suppose yumi holem some tingting or some belief blo yumi we no true. Mo yumi reading Bible with them tingting ya. Might cranky tingting ya I blokem yumi blo save good true meaning blo talk blo God. One important lesson back again. Mo hemi close up same mark lo lesson 5. Be yumi admap more I go now. Lo lesson 6. So lesson 5 is tablo book yumi talk about all something where yumi think say true. Be yumi talem say I got some ting where yumi holem where might hemi no true. Making say yumi must scale him good. Ting blo yumi mo walk him out say I got some belief where yumi got where yumi no sabe prove him. Where I know one fact. Be hemi one assumption no more. So big fla ting back again blo ask him question scale him ting blo yumi. Ale bukitalem every day yumi stop usum ting blo yumi. Blo make him all different action blo yumi. Yumi stop usum all ting where yumi think say true. Hemi assumption ting. Mo tu yumi stop usum all ting about all something where it really true. Hemi all fact. So yumi got two kind ting. Mo yumi usum tuvla together. I got all example. I stop down. Blo think about say hemi one fact or hemi assumption. Lo in blo page you got one talk one and fasten blo one critical thinker. One man where me follow him fasten blo critical thinking. Hemi one man where ask him plenty question. Me tell him same something back again. Hemi no follow him no more ting more action blo all man. Be hemi scale him ting ya. Hemi want to check him say he true or hemi one gear man ting or one gear man belief or one gear man fasten. Hemi na fasten where yumi must make him. Ask him question about all something where yumi think say true. Blo make sure say it true. Ale next page and me tell him think about. Suppose yumi no scale him ting blo yumi might yumi follow one ting or one belief way no true. Now think about back again talk ya all something where yumi think say true. Yumi everyone is full up with them kind ting ya. Make him say yumi must scale him good ting blo yumi time yumi reading Bible. So yumi come lo one important part now. Blo ting blo yumi all same one name time yumi reading Bible talk blo God. Suppose yumi got one ting where you know true be fast lo ting blo yumi. Hemi all same way yumi put him one dark glass. Same yumi tell him last time. Where he change him look blo yumi. Might hemi make him say yumi walk him out one last ting blo one passage. We know straight. Yumi must cut him out glass ya. Blo make him ting blo yumi I open, I clear. Blo God is how I teach him yumi true lo talk blo him. So yumi want to get clear ting blo God is how I use him talk blo him. Blo teach him yumi or something where God want him yumi save. This I talk about picture where you stop down. You look the left side, you got all information. Right side, last ting. So yumi save, yumi use all information, blo walk them out one last ting. But sometimes yumi karem all ting it come all information or lo process ya. You look down where you got picture blo glass. And me all save more ting about life where you think say true. So it's a might yumi karem all different things, some way no true, some way true. It come, mix him up with them all information now. Make him say easy blo yumi cast him one last thing where he know straight nothing. One name where yumi want them, and me also in picture where stop on top where tell him clear ting. You may want to open tingting. You may want to come lo talk lo God with him one clear tingting. Lo God isawi teach him you me through lo talk lo him. And we tell him read him Bible with him tingting where he clear. He got one something where you me must sawi. He straight lo talk lo God he changes him tingting blo you me. But he no straight blo tingting blo you me. He changes him talk blo God. You cast him tuvla side. He straight blo talk blo God. He changes him tingting blo you me. But he no straight blo tingting blo you me. He changes him talk blo God or changes him meaning blo talk blo God. In blo page 20, it talk about one drama. You look in blo book. Where Emmy story number 5, where Emmy all same. You cut him one paper all same, where you may tell him say, Emmy now Bible, talk blo God. Ale something ya, Emmy you have full him up one something, one plastic or one container with them all small stone or coral or one something. After Emmy all same all ting blo you me. Tingting blo yumi way full up lo mind blo yumi. The one fashion way no good anyway yumi karem tingting blo yumi ikam yumi push lo talk blo God yumi squeeze him talk blo God yumi change him shape lo talk blo God change him meaning blo him. No good. One way yumi want to make him emi blo now yumi make him talk blo God become strong. More you may tell him, okay, straight fashion, and me blow talk blow God, he come on top blow ting blow you me, he come down, he more time you may make him all same by changing ting blow you me. Some ting by he fall down, some by move for same one him. And then now talk blow God by changing ting blow you me man. He got pictured down the next page where he tell him tuvla something yeah, tuvla fasten. When we just make him lo small drama, me now tuvla picture he tell him same something. Lo left side and me tell him one him. Yumi must let him talk blo God he changes him ting blo Yumi. And me a straight fasten. You look where talk blo God he stop on top lo head blo man means that it go inside. Pero right side, fasten no good now. Where he tell him say, Yumi no sabe let him ting blo Yumi, it changes him talk blo God. You look mania, he also when me stand up lo talk blo God, he push him, he change him, he move him. He no more straight talk blo God now. So one way Yumi want him, and me stop lo left side. But fasten no good. And now, man we stand up. You look at me proud too, huh? And me think say me got good fla savi. So I me carry kind ting he come lo talk blo God. Where he no good, where he no good. Thing about drama. He got all question or ting lo where he talk about drama more tuvla picture. We so go through something else with them all participant. He got one example now. Lo talk blo God, where might you me make him up one picture blo God, where hemi no straight with the one and where Bible Italian. So suppose you got one picture blo God where you think me think say God the all same. Me now must careful with them kind thing yeah. From my picture where you got blo God, emi no fit good, emi no same mark or same one and where Bible Italian. Try and read him Italian law, one exercise law, page 21. Try and read him Psalm 139, verse 7 to 8. Where me tell him say, where place bambai me save go hide lo hem, blo you no look me. Where place bambai me save go lo hem, blo run way lo you. Suppose me go lo heaven, but you stop lo place ya, bambai you look me. More suppose me go lay down lo home blo dead man, but you stop lo place ya. Tu, bambai, you find in me. Ale, ask him Olgeta, you stop ting wanem time you read him all verse. It could be you write them down, ting below you. So give him time, first time. Only think about wanem ting ikam lo mind blow get that time only read him tok ya. Or say wanem you fright time you read him all verse ya. Or might you all same from where might you stop holding one assumption, say all time God am ready blow stick him all or find him out wrong blue you me man. So suppose you got kind ting now by you fright. But suppose now you read in full Psalm 139 now by you carry one different look. By you look savvy straight ting blow man way write him Psalm more ting blow him lo God. And me explain him or describe him God or same one him. By you find him out say hemi write him Psalm blow show him out say he no got one something nothing. We savvy pull him out one man way believe lo God. God he hold him tight him. No matter any walk about he go where place. Now by heart you glad no more. You know fright, be glad no more. Lo New Testament verse we tell him same something in Rome 8:38. He could blow read him tok ya. So all time look out say time you read him one him tok way stuff lo Bible, you know come with them one ting or assumption where might he spoil him true message or true ting when man we write in Bible he want him say you cuss him. So you must read in passage with them one ting where he glad blow talk blow God is have make him ting blow you me is straight no more with them full talk blow God where stop. So you me want them talk blow God he change him ting blow you me. You know say you me carry one ting he come more force him equal law talk blow God. One another for example we good blow all get only make him blow one group. Well, he talk about something might you got ting say suppose you no put money lo church, God by punish him you. Or might him know say bless him you, or same you want him. Ask him some question, blow walk him out say ting he true or same one him. What him may wrong with him ting You think say ting by spoil him true ting blow God? It could blow you teacher, you write him two passage law board 2 Corinthians 9:7, 2 Corinthians 8:12, where he tell him out ting blow New Testament law side blow put money. It could time only make him activity suppose only go back to page 17 where he tell him all question where you may ask him last time. You survey something else, all same one him. Who we teach him ting where you got who we teach him lo you. Or he got some other question too where so I go to la him, pro try and walk him out say ting where you got emi true, ting where Bible he tell him, emi all same one him. Tuvle same mark or tuvle different. So last talk lo page no good ting blow you, he block him talk blow God. One critical thing he must scale him good, talk blow him, blow make sure say all ting where him he hold him, he no block him blow cuss him, straight meaning blow one him where he stop, try and blow walk him out. More one him where God he want to teach him you me through lo talk blow him. Ale go back more tell him stampa blow lesson back again.